Hello guys, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to create and set up Bol Offer feed. The offer feed activates offers on Bol for products listed in the Bol database. The feed also updates stock and price information. To create a feed, click Add Channel and search for Bol. There are 3 different types of feeds. Select Offers via API and click Add Channel. Now edit your feed by Channel Settings button. Your start attributes are pre-mapped to Bol attributes. You need to check and modify several Bol mandatory attributes. First, EAN code. EAN code is required. Product without EAN codes are rejected by Bol. Condition. Condition is set to new by default. Price. It's mapped to final price, include text. A delivery code. By default, it's set to 4 to 8 days value. You can use any of the values listed in this info. Fulfillment method. You can specify if the shipment will be fulfilled by seller, FBR, or by Bol, FBB. Shipping cost. Shipping cost is mapped to Congo's shipping cost attribute. In the shipping area, you can define the shipping cost values for specific intervals. And this is it for attribute mapping. You can go to product filter. You can use various product filters. For more information, please check Congo documentation. So now we finish the offer feed setup. Click Save and the feed is ready for submission. Once you create your feed, click API Submission. Select the marketplace you'd like to connect and click Connect Bol account. Fill your email address, password, login. Approve the connection, and now your feed is connected to your Bol account. You can test the connection, you can allow auto submission, and submit your feed to Bol. Once the feed is submitted, you can check the error report and modify the feed if needed. So this is how to connect your Bol feed to your Bol account.